Let's learn punctuation. Punctuation is use of different marks in writing to make the meaning of a sentence clear. Type of punctuations: full stop, question mark, exclamation point, comma, colon, semicolon, dash, hyphen, brackets, braces, parentheses, apostrophe, question mark, and ellipse. Full stop. A full stop is the punctuation name for a mark that is used to show the end of a sentence. Examples: my brother cooked rice. She is playing. Dog is barking. Students won the competition. Commas. Commas is the punctuation name for a mark that are great for breaking down sentences, combining two clauses or showing us when to pause. Example: my mother cooked rice, dal and soup. She is good at dancing, singing and cooking. Although she was tired, she went for a party. I brought some apples, mangoes and lemons from the market. Question marks. Question marks simply indicates that the speaker is asking a question. They are used at the end of the question or interrogative sentences. Example: what is your name? Where are you going? How are you? Do you like coffee or tea? Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is a punctuation mark. Is used to indicate a strong feeling, loud volume, and emphasis in speech. They are used at the end of an exclamation sentence. Example: look, it is a peacock. I am so nervous about my annual exams. I can't believe you just said that. Ouch, I hurt my knee. Semicolon. Semicolon are punctuation marks that connect independent clauses to show a closer relationship between the clause that a period would. They can also separate items in a list. They already include comma. Example: I need to buy some fruits, bananas, grapes, and apples are on my list. The dog barked loudly. The cat ran away in fear. She wanted to visit India, Germany, Japan, and Korea were at the top of her list. She did not study hard for the exams. She was determined to fail. Colon. Colon introduce a quotation, an explanation, an example, or a series. They can also clarify information or emphasize an important word or phrases. Example: my favorite color are red, blue, and green. Please bring the following items: a pen, paper, and book. The movie was based on a true story, the life of famous politician. The recipe called for three ingredients: salt, flour, and butter. Dash. A dash is a punctuation mark that is longer than a hyphen and used to show a breakthrough or to emphasize information. Example: the Civil War 1861 to 1865 made lasting impact in the United States. When does the Delhi Chennai flight arrives? She was finally going to do it. Run a marathon. Please read chapter 3-5 for homework. Hyphen. Hyphen is a punctuation mark used to connect two or more words or to split a word that cannot fit on a line. Example: the 3-year-old child was very active. I will meet you at the 22nd floor. The ice cold water was refreshing. The high speed train arrived on time. Parentheses. Parentheses are used to set off information within a sentence. Example: the capital of Italy, Rome, is a popular tourist destination. I am taking a year off from school to travel the world. The factory, which was built in 1940, is now a museum. The three primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, cannot be created by mixing other colors. Brackets. Brackets are punctuation marks that are commonly used in writing to enclose or indicate the inclusion of supplementary or explanatory material within a sentence or paragraph. Examples: the Senator Henry was in attendance at the meeting. The company's profit has been decreased by 25% since last year. The witness stated he, the suspect, left the scene in a hurry. In the formula 5 into 8 plus 2, the brackets indicate that the addition should be performed first. Eclipse. Eclipse is a punctuation mark consisting of three dots used to indicate the omission of words or pause in speech or thought. Example: I came, I saw, I conquered. She began to speak, then hesitated, and finally decided to remain silent. The passage read, to be or not to be, that is the question. She looked out the window, lost in thought, wondering what the future held. Apostrophe. Apostrophes are punctuation marks that indicate the omission of a letter or letters from a word. Example: I have seen that movie several times. Tara's dog bite the neighbor. Who's at the door? He is always on time. Quotation marks. Quotation marks indicate the beginning and the end of a quoted passage. They are also show dialogues in friction. Example: don't go outside. Karan said. The policeman said, stop right here. Jesse said the party's on Sunday. Timmy shouted, let's the game begin. Braces. Braces contain set of numerical or specialized information to show that they are considered as a unit. You won't often see braces in writing, but you will see them around groups of words and mathematical expressions. Examples: the teacher wrote a set of numbers 6, 9, 12 on the board. 2. 1 plus 23 minus 3 equals x. Can you write 3? 3 plus 14 plus 4 equals y. Student wrote a set of numbers 4, 5, 3.